Hello and welcome back to Precious Presents Performing Arts. Now, I hope you are as excited as I am for this episode because in this month's episode, I will be presenting all things ballet. But first, breaking news. Miles Frost wins the Best Actor in a Leading Role in a Musical, and Six the Musical wins Best Original Score this year at the Tonys. So, ballet is pretty famous, but did you know that it has origins in 15th century Italy? It began in the Italian Renaissance courts and was performed at very lavish events. In 1661, a dance academy opened in Paris. By 1681, dance was performed on stage. Since, countless schools have been formed, dancers have been trained, and performances have graced the stage. Hello everyone, it's me Precious, and here Amor is going to teach you the first 5 positions of ballet. So here she's in the first position with her heels touching and her toes oppositely pointing outward. Here's the second position where she's almost in the same position, however her heels are not touching, but once again her toes are still oppositely pointed outward. And here's the third position, where her toe and her heel are touching. The fourth position, where she just steps forward and stays in the same position. And the fifth position, where she brings it back and turns her feet completely out, where they are almost flat against each other. Bye. Have you heard of Alicia Alonso? She was a Cuban ballerina who, although she did suffer from chronic vision problems, she did not let that stop her from reaching success. She starred as the title role in Giselle and choreographed for a ballet company becoming Ballet Nacional de Cuba, and much more. Hello everyone, it's me Precious, and I am here with the ballerina Royal. How are you doing, Royal?
I'm good.
Alright, so the first question I want to ask you is, when did you get into ballet?
Well, first I started at a dance depot, and it was like 3 of it, so it was like jazz, tap, and ballet. So I never did ballet separately. It was just like all of once.
So you started it at your dance depot, where you're doing ballet, jazz, and tap?
Yeah.
Ooh, so what made you like ballet?
Well, it was just kind of fun. And like, you're just learning something. When you learn something, it is always new. It's always kind of cool because you could, like, you're learning something that you did not know. And it's actually kind of really fun. And people have been really, really famous for it.
Now that is very true. It's always really fun to learn something new. What was your favorite thing to learn in ballet? Like, is there a favorite dance, a favorite move, a favorite ballerina?
Well, it was just really fun. I wouldn't have a favorite, but it was just so fun.
I can definitely not pick favorites either. So, do you have a favorite ballerina though? Or at least just someone you look up to?
Well, I learned about her actually in my class. I mean, I know about her for a little bit, but she's so really cool, and her name is Misty Copeland.
Misty Copeland, wow. She's definitely an inspiration icon for all little girls and all little ballerinas in general. Boys and girls. Anyways, for the last question, I want to ask, what do you love the most about ballet?
Well, it was just really fun. It's like you can't pick anything. It's just like you can't pick anything. It was just all so fun. Like, everything was my favorite. All the dances, all the rehearsal, everything was just so fun. I cannot pick.
Wow, well, thank you so much for talking with me. I've had a very fun time talking to you.
Thank you.
And I'll see you next time.
Okay.
We've all heard of the Nutcracker, but did you know that it is a 2-act 1892 ballet adapted from the short story The Nutcracker and the Mousekin? Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode. But before we go, make sure to join Little News Ears at littlenewsears.com. Find the Little News Ears podcast and subscribe to Little News Ears YouTube channel. May your sweetness shine and your colors glow.